What if I told you that some of the world's most breathtaking art was created not with the goal of fame, but as a reflection of divine beauty? Islamic art is more than just mesmerizing patterns and calligraphy. It is a secret language of faith, mathematics, and innovation. But why has this art been overlooked in modern times? And why is it more important now than ever before? Stay with us as we uncover the hidden legacy of Islamic art and why its revival is crucial today. Islamic art was born in the 7th century, shortly after the rise of Islam. Unlike Western art, which often focused on human figures, Islamic art embraced abstraction, geometry, and calligraphy. Why? Because in Islam, artistic expression is deeply connected to spirituality. Every pattern, design, and letter reflects the divine order. The first major artistic developments happened under the Umayyad and Abbasid caliphates. The Umayyads, ruling from Damascus, borrowed Byzantine and Persian influences, but made them their own. The Abbasids, based in Baghdad, transformed art into an intellectual pursuit, merging science, philosophy, and aesthetics. Between the 8th and 14th centuries, Islamic art peaked. From Spain to China, Muslim artists and architects created wonders that still amaze people. The Alhambra in Spain, the intricate Persian miniatures, the dazzling blue tiles of Samarkand. Each piece tells a story of a civilization that valued knowledge, beauty, and unity. One of the greatest innovations was the use of arabesques, flowing, interwoven patterns symbolizing infinity and divine harmony. Calligraphy also became a dominant art form, with the Quran inspiring countless masterpieces in Kufic and Naskh scripts. But Islamic art wasn't confined to one region. It traveled across continents, influencing European Renaissance art, Indian Mughal architecture, and even modern design. The Taj Mahal, for instance, is a masterpiece of Islamic artistic principles. And did you know that Gothic architecture in Europe borrowed heavily from Islamic geometric designs? Even today, elements of Islamic art appear in modern fashion, interior design, and digital art. But despite this, Islamic art often remains misrepresented. In a time when the world is divided and cultural heritage is under threat, Islamic art serves as a bridge between civilizations. It reminds us of a time when Muslims led the world in science, philosophy, and aesthetics. More importantly, it teaches values of balance, symmetry, and spiritual depth, things we desperately need today. But there's hope. Artists, historians, and designers are bringing Islamic art back to life, from digital recreations to new architectural wonders inspired by classical Islamic aesthetics. It's time we recognize and celebrate this timeless heritage. Islamic art is more than just decoration. It's a philosophy, a science, and a spiritual journey. And now you have a role to play in reviving it. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hidden histories, and share this video to spread awareness about the beauty of Islamic art. Let's keep this legacy alive.